This is the TRS Coral Beachside Oceanview Suite. You have double sinks, branded towels, black towel for makeup. You have this beautiful tub. And you do have a curtain to close it off if you need to. Then you have water closet. And then you have a very good sized shower with rain head. You also have your snack area, refrigerator with snacks, and these are my favorite. And again, this is an all-inclusive resort, so everything's included. You have sparkling water. The rooms usually come with a wine fridge that may just be some of the upper class or higher level rooms. But I'm not 100% sure about that. I had a wine fridge before. You have robes, slippers. Robes you cannot take home. Slippers you can. If you take the robe home, they will charge you. Then you have a safe. A lot of areas for storage. Come over here. You have one king size bed. Modern and nice decor. And you have this sofa. I love that their sofa isn't material and that it's just leather, or leather, because it makes me feel more comfortable about sitting on it. Have television with the directory on it. A nice area for sitting. And then you have this view. Again, this room, as most resorts in the Caribbean or what have you, if you open the door, the air conditioner will cut off. But you have a lounge chair, very spacious balcony, 2 cushioned chairs and a table, and then this beachside ocean view room is right near the ocean. Look at that. It's only a couple rooms down there, and then this is the ocean. Nice and blue. I've sent quite a few clients here and they love it, so let's get you booked.